Hi, I'm Phil from High Roads, and we're going to talk to you today about repairing a pothole. So you'll see here we have a pothole that is in desperate need of repair. The first thing that we do is we need to clear out any loose gravel or metal or anything like that. We normally go around about 30 to 50 mils deep with cold mix. So your hole needs to be at least that deep. If it's too deep, then you could put some gap 20 or something in the bottom of the hole to fill the hole, because obviously you don't want to use too much cold mix. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to clean out this hole and give it a good brush to get rid of any of the gravel that's in the hole. So the brush today I've got is actually probably a little bit big for this hole, but nevertheless we're just going to clean it all out, give it a good brush out. Now with the cold mix you want a good edge that the cold mix will butt up against. Otherwise, if it feathers off to nothing, it can just blow out. So, so in this case, we've got a reasonable hole to work with. Okay, so now that we've nicely cleaned out the pothole, we'll grab a bag of cold mix, and then we'll pour it into the hole. Now, what you want to do is you want to put enough to fill the hole, but also you want a little bit more to create a little cap, like a little crown on top. The reason for that is obviously when it compacts, it's going to flatten out. So if you only put it in at level, and when you compact it, it's going to go down. And you don't want water running in and causing more damage later. You want it so it ends up being nice and flat. So let me open up this cold mix bag now. So the great thing about this cold mix, our cold mix, is that it pours nice and easily out of the bag. So you can see how easy that was for me to pour it out. Now I'll put a little bit more in. And then what we're going to do is, you can use anything really to smooth it out. Okay, so the next thing that we're going to do is we're going to compact it down. And probably one of the easiest ways is to drive over it with a car. Now I suggest before you do that, because what happens is it's reasonably sticky at the moment, and so it'll stick to your tyres when you're driving over it. So the easiest way is just get a bit of dust or a bit of sand and just throw it over there. That just takes some of the stickiness away from the top of it and allows it to not stick to your temper or whatever you're using to. And then basically all you got to do is give it a good whack down or drive over it with a car. Okay, as you've seen, putting our cold mix into a pothole is extremely easy, flows nicely out of the bag, but when you compact it, it goes hard, so that the great thing is it's trafficable straight away. The only thing I'd recommend is that you don't turn your wheel when you're on that particular cold mix. And the reason for that is it could cause it to wave as you turn the wheel, because there's a lot of pressure when you turn the wheel. If you do, it's not the end of the world. All you've got to do is compact it down again, so then it's nice and flat. It's a great product. In fact, we believe it's one of the best on the market, if not the best. And the reason why is because we have pressure sensitive polymers in the cold mix, which go, as you compact it, means that it goes hard but flexible. And it's just really a fantastic product.